Hey, Rich, how are ya?
Doing okay. It was an interesting day yesterday. I mean, we started with the clouds and a few sprinkles. And, I mean, the contrast between yesterday afternoon and Sunday afternoon, I mean, was striking. Because, I mean, we like to eat out on a deck whenever we can.
Then it warmed up, though.
We actually wimped out Sunday afternoon.
You did?
Well, it was raining a little bit. That is,
but then
sometimes doesn't
so
stop
hot.
us. That's true. But it was kind of cold and literally seemed like fall. Yesterday afternoon, boy,
so nice.
Sun was intense. And, you know, it was interesting because it felt like fall because the sun felt intense. But the air felt cold.
Yeah.
Not cold, but cool yesterday.
Cooler, yeah.
Yeah.
Change
Well, we're
is
making
coming.
that turn. That sun starts to get a little bit weaker about this time of the year. Not gone yet, though, so don't write it totally off. Looking out from our waterfront camera right now, we have, well, you can't tell, but I'll tell you, we do have clear skies pretty much over all of western Washington. So we have a little bit of a ridge of high pressure pushing its way on through here. Good news in the air quality. Good air quality for pretty much all of western Washington. See a couple places in the moderate range, but overall looking at pretty good conditions. And we might see a little teeny bit of smoke moving in up around the strait as we head towards later this morning and this afternoon, but it'll be a very tiny amount. It's not an episode whatsoever for most of the area. And we'll be seeing that onshore wind pick back up again tomorrow. Temperatures right now actually kind of cool. They're down in the upper 40s and low 50s in a lot of places to begin the day here in western Washington. So with the clear skies and longer nights starting to show up a little bit there in those temperatures. University of Washington model, you can see keeping most of that cloudiness out towards the coast. They do have some areas of fog out there, though Forks is reporting clear skies this morning. That kind of burns right back there. We have good day today, upper 70s and low 80s around the sound today, but then we see kind of a shift in our weather pattern. The ridge of high pressure moves on through. We'll see a push of marine air overnight tonight. So start off with clouds tomorrow morning. Should see a little bit of afternoon clearing, and then a little weak system is going to push our way as we head towards later Wednesday, especially Thursday. It's going to be cloudy with a chance of a few showers around the area, but then clearing back out again and then kind of settling into a pattern of morning clouds and afternoon sun pretty much through the weekend. So for today, mostly sunny, warm, upper 70s and low 80s. Smoke will not be a problem. Actually, not in the next 7 days, it doesn't look like. Morning clouds, afternoon sun tomorrow. Look for a few showers around on Thursday. Morning clouds and afternoon sun for Friday and Saturday. Low to maybe mid 70s. Partly sunny, maybe a couple of showers on Sunday. Shouldn't amount to much though. And then Labor Day itself, look for morning clouds and afternoon sun. And high temperatures over the weekend, mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s. So still not a bad holiday weekend outlook. Stephen Joyce?